My name is Anna. I am 12 years old. I live in a small town in a white house with my mom, dad, and my pet cat. His name is Milo, and he is my favorite friend in the whole world. He has a little pink nose and a long tail. Everyone in my family loves him because he is very kind and funny. Every morning, he jumps on my bed and wakes me up. He doesn't like waiting. He wants food. He meows and walks around my pillow until I open my eyes. I always say, "Good morning, Milo," and he purrs like a little machine. Then I go to the kitchen and give him breakfast. He eats cat food from a blue bowl. Sometimes, I give him a small piece of fish or chicken. While I eat my breakfast, Milo sits on a chair and watches me. He doesn't eat bread or eggs, but he likes to sit with us. He is like a family member. After breakfast, I go to school. Milo stays at home and usually sleeps a lot during the day. My mom says he sleeps on the sofa, near the window, or on my bed. Sometimes he follows my mom around the house. When I come home, he runs to the door. I hug him and say, "I missed you." He follows me to my room and jumps on my bed. In the afternoon, we play together. I throw a small ball and he runs to catch it. He also likes to chase strings and jump on my school bag. He never gets bored. Sometimes Milo hides under the table and jumps out when I walk by. I scream and laugh, and he looks proud, like he won a game. In the evening, he sits on my lap when I watch cartoons. He closes his eyes and sleeps while I pet him. His fur is warm, and he makes me feel calm. At night before I go to sleep, he climbs into bed and curls up next to me. We sleep together. Milo is more than a pet. He is my friend and sometimes like my little baby. I talk to him when I feel sad or happy. Now, tell me, do you have a pet at home? What is its name? Is it a cat, a dog, or maybe a rabbit? I want to know. Tell me about your pet in the comments. Let's practice English together.